You've seen the rise of AI, but perhaps you thought it was only for tech giants or programmers. Today, I'm going to pull back the curtain on one of the biggest hidden secrets for earning money online: AI automation. I've done the extensive research to show you a step-by-step blueprint for starting your own AI automation service in Nigeria with the potential to earn over $1,000 a month, all without writing a single line of code. Stay with me. Welcome to my channel. Kindly subscribe for more online earning updates such as this. Let's demystify AI automation. In its simplest form, it's about using artificial intelligence tools to perform routine, repetitive tasks that would normally take humans hours to complete. Imagine a small business owner in Nigeria who spends half their day manually responding to customer queries on WhatsApp, or scheduling social media posts, or even moving data between different spreadsheets. AI automation allows us to create digital workers that handle these tasks automatically, but most small businesses don't have the technical know-how to implement AI. This creates a massive, underserved market, and that's precisely where your opportunity lies. You become the bridge between AI technology and the everyday business owner. Unlike simple gigs that pay a few naira, AI automation consulting is a high-value service. My research suggests that even a beginner, offering basic automation solutions, can realistically charge between $200 to $500 per month per client for ongoing support. The biggest secret to starting this business without any coding knowledge lies in powerful no-code automation platforms. My extensive research consistently points to Make.com, formerly Integromat, as an incredibly robust and user-friendly option. Think of Make.com as a digital bridge builder. It allows you to connect different apps and services that you use every day like Gmail, Google Sheets, WhatsApp, social media platforms, even popular CRM systems, and tell them to work together automatically. You build scenarios by dragging and dropping modules on a visual canvas. For instance, you could automate a task where every time a new lead fills out a form, Make.com automatically sends them a welcome email, adds them to a spreadsheet, and sends you a notification. This is the magic you'll be selling to businesses, and you build it all visually, without writing a single line of code. Based on this research, here is your actionable blueprint to launching your own AI automation business. 1. Master a no-code tool. Make.com. Your first step is to become proficient with a platform like Make.com. They offer extensive free tutorials and documentation. Start by automating your own daily tasks, your social media posts, email management, or data entry. This builds your confidence and your first set of examples. 2. Identify pain points. Look at local businesses in Nigeria: restaurants, salons, small e-commerce stores, consultancies. What repetitive tasks do they hate doing? Do they spend hours managing bookings, responding to common questions, handling inventory updates? These are your automation opportunities. 3. Build a portfolio of solutions. For your first few clients, offer to solve one specific, high-impact problem for free or at a very low cost. For example, automate their customer welcome emails. This allows you to build a case study and get a testimonial. 4. Package your services. Create clear service packages. Start with a basic automation setup for a flat fee, then offer a monthly maintenance and optimization plan as a recurring service. 5. Find your first client. Leverage your network. Talk to small business owners. Explain how you can save them hours of work every week. Show them the automation you built for yourself or your test project. 6. Continuous learning. The AI and automation landscape evolves rapidly. Dedicate time each week to learning new integrations and AI tools. This ensures you remain a valuable expert. In our next video, I will provide a comprehensive, step-by-step tutorial on how to get started with Make.com and build your very first automation scenario from scratch. Make sure you are subscribed and hit that notification bell. Your automated future starts today.